Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video of how to log in. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can sign up for your Abra's account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Now to sign up for your Abra's account, firstly open your Google search. On the search box, type in Abra sign up and make a search. The search results will be displayed on the screen. Click on the first link from the search results. It will take you to the sign up page of Abra. To sign up for your Abra's account, firstly you need to enter the credentials. Enter your name, organization name, street and number, passcode or city, your phone number, GSM, website URL, your email address and VAT number. Enter a date since when your organization is active with short description of activities, corresponding name of contact and mail from organization. Mention from where you heard about Abra. Now all you need to do is enter your username, create your password and confirm your password by re-entering it. Agree to the terms and conditions by marking on the box and then tap on register. This is how you can sign up for your Abra's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.